So today we got sprint intervals, 35 minutes, and I'm trying the Kevin method today. On sauna top, long sleeve shirt, gonna put another shirt on, and you know, probably get like at least 3 to 4 miles. Yeah. See how much sweat we can let off. Peep the ground right now, how dry it is. We'll see y'all when we get done. Woo! All right, 2.8. I thought it was gonna be more, probably because I was slow. Speed intervals, so that's fucking 8 out of 10 effort, or 8 out of 10 mile pace for 1 minute. Then give yourself a 1 minute break. Then you do 7 out of 8 for 5 minutes, 2 minute break. And then 6 mile pace, 6 effort for 10 minutes. And then a 3 minute break, and then go back up. So after that 10 minute pace, I'm tired as y'all can see. You go right back up into the 7 or 8 for with your 6 effort, and then 8 out of 9 for 1 minute, and then you're done. Pyramid. So you start at the top, go down, and go back up. And yeah, these shoes and my socks cooked, man. So as y'all can see, oh, there you go. There it is. The ground is soaked. I'm cooked. I go. It's over with. I'm done.